The crypto industry is not a playground for kids. It's a space where lessons are learned, corrections are made, and pains are nursed. Cardano ADA has had its fair share of pumps and dumps, and apart from the excuse that the crypto market is tied to volatility, ADA has failed to make its mark. Perhaps Cardano needs to learn more. What do you think about Cardano treading the path of another cryptocurrency to have similar bullish indicators? The Bitcoin price has topped 30,000 per Bitcoin, double its late 2022 price, with two shot crypto flips helping the crypto market rebound as the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, pulled the trigger on a landmark race. Plus, after Elon Musk surprised traders with a bullish crypto prediction, Bitcoin and crypto was braced for a $30 trillion worth of capital hitting the market if any one of the recent flurry of the US spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds filings is approved by the SEC. The big deal is that the ETF is the platform or vehicle that so many financial advisors prefer, Bloomberg Intelligence ETF analyst Eric Balchunas said. Last month, BlackRock sent shockwaves through the world of crypto with a filing for a US spot Bitcoin ETF, an action that was closely followed by other finance heavyweights who expect BlackRock to establish a path through the regulatory minefield. Former SEC Chair Jay Clayton even noted that regulators would find it hard to resist approving a spot ETF. If the applicants are right that the spot market has similar efficacy to futures market, it would be hard to resist approving a Bitcoin ETF, Clayton told CNBC in the comments that were cheered by Bitcoin traders. Thomas Carlo, a crypto hedge fund manager, noted in email comments, this indicates that the acceptance of Bitcoin in the traditional financial system is becoming inevitable. With trillions of dollars waiting to be utilized and institutional investors entering the crypto space, the growth potential is substantial. Also, Tesla billionaire and Twitter owner Elon Musk recently said that he agrees with a prediction that could see all currencies backed by computer processors by 2030. By 2030, all currencies will be backed entirely by GPUs, which 5 years ago would have sounded like a crypto prediction. A Twitter user posted last year, referring to the digitalization of traditional currencies. We should probably stop calling them GPUs, but yeah, Musk responded. Graphics processing units, or GPUs for short, are originally designed to accelerate computer graphics and image processing in video games. In 2022, the cryptocurrency market experienced an earth-shattering shift as giants such as the FTX exchange and Luna crash. There was a plethora of issues that affected the crypto market in 2022, now they're sad tales to tell. We marched into 2023 with an expectation to recover all losses. We understand that 2023 is not poised to be a bull year, but so many anticipations clouded our minds. In just 6 months, there were bank failures, upbeat SEC regulations, and a string of dips for many coins, including Cardano ADA. However, with Bitcoin improving and predictions being on a roll, many factors are set in stone to spur a recovery. Altcoins have been making big moves, especially Solana. Solana's recovery from its June post-SEC FUD lows have been aided by the continually high trading volumes. Solana was last trading above $22 per token with nearly $500 million in trading volumes have come in, according to CoinGecko. This means that Solana is in the top 10 cryptocurrencies for trading volume. The cryptocurrency is remarkably trading above its June highs despite being labeled as a security by the SEC and its lawsuits against Coinbase and Binance, and subsequently being delisted from the likes of Robinhood, eToro, Revolut, and Bakkt. With this development, the Solana ecosystem has been touted as resilient and laced with steady growth. Real Vision CEO Raoul Pal recently outlined the best case scenario for Solana, which is an Ethereum rival, saying that the smart contract platform could see a massive price increase. In an interview with a host of Invest Answers, the macro guru explained that Solana could follow in the footsteps of the leading altcoin when it skyrocketed after hitting a low in 2018. At the time, Ethereum saw about a 47% increase, but Powell added that he anticipates Solana seeing at least 20x increase from current prices. There is a possibility of dream scenario in which Solana does what Ethereum did from the 2018 low, which was 47x. And so Solana's low was $9, so you can do the math. The numbers are potentially very interesting, and that will be 20-something x from here for Solana, he said. Powell went ahead to say that he believes that Bitcoin could double or triple from its all-time high, noting that such a rise would be modest and the worst bull run in Crypto King's history. According to him, it's very difficult to predict where it goes, but what we can say is that it is reasonable that Bitcoin from all-time highs doubles or triples. That's not asking a lot. That will be the worst bull market in Bitcoin history. It will probably triple from the all-time high and is currently at $30,000, so that's a 6x from here. That's pretty good, and the upside is maybe I am wrong and it causes a complete panic to the upside. We don't know what's going to happen in the economy in 2025, what could be driving prices, so I think you can get the upside for free. Things are turning up bright for Solana and the Cardano platform could learn some lessons, but let's not be quick to forget that Solana has a tainted past, not a distant one though, so could this be Cardano's leverage? Last year the FTX exchange crashed and Solana was caught in the middle of it all. Sam Bankman-Fried touted Solana as the most underrated cryptocurrency, but the token was down 94% for the year after crashing 70% since the collapse of FTX in November. Solana, which was still praised as a viable rival to the second most popular crypto, Ethereum, had a major dip. The severe decline came as more crypto projects bailed on the Solana ecosystem. Back then, CoinDesk reported that 2 of the Solana blockchain's top NFT collections, DeGods and Utes, will migrate to Ethereum and Polygon respectively. This decline followed years of support and investment from Bankman-Fried and his subsidiaries. However, let's not get carried away. This is not a Cardano versus Solana affair. We are simply observing Solana's performance and how they could happen in the Cardano ecosystem as well. Plus, Cardano may have maintained a clean slate since its inception, but the price movements and developments have been trudging on a rough path. Nonetheless, it's time to watch ADA closely, as there might be some bullish indicators too. As of mid-April, Cardano ADA was up nearly 80% for the year, and all signs were flashing green for crypto investors. But then the SEC's crypto crackdown in June came as a big threat. Now, Cardano is just struggling to reassure investors that everything is going to be fine with the coin price and ecosystem. Currently, the token is trading almost 90% below its all-time high of $3.10. For the year, it is just up 35%, making it a laggard compared to most top cryptos. In those lawsuits, the SEC named Cardano as one of the unregistered securities that these exchanges were improperly offering to their customers. This came as a shock to everyone, and investors immediately started dumping Cardano. While price recovered somewhat in July, there is still a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt raving around the crypto. Also, even for the token to hit a mere $1 mark, there needs to be some sort of revolution to this issue. So far, the SEC has not filed a direct enforcement action against Cardano, which is quite a positive sign, and Cardano has indicated that it is willing to work with the SEC, yet simply saying, "we are not a security," is not enough. Some catalysts will make ADA a coin worth watching and holding in the long term. Continued growth in the decentralized finance market is one of them. Its fervent growth in this area at the beginning of the year is what helped kick off its early 2023 rally. But now things are moving at a rapid pace in DeFi. There have been new project launches, such as the new stablecoin JED for the Cardano ecosystem. There's also been growth in decentralized exchanges for trading cryptos, and there has been the launch of new DeFi projects that make use of new smart contract functionality on the Cardano blockchain. The good news is that whatever you wish to call it, is that Cardano seems to be moving forward in business as usual. There has been no disruption so far. Weekly development reports are still rolling out, work is being done on improving the blockchain, and transaction activity is starting to rise again after a brief dip in early June. If you're looking at it from a short-term perspective, Cardano's prospects might be nothing, especially due to the SEC's threats. But if it's for the long term, then there's a good chance for Cardano to climb to new all-time highs. At the end of the day, there's no mixed feelings here. But that is going to do it for today's video. As always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we will see you in the next video.